Awesome. Yeah, so today we're going to be looking at some dialogues. We've been doing this series for this is the fifth one now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I just wrote a new book called A Fun Guide to Learning Nigerian Pidgin English, so don't forget to get a copy on Amazon and follow the conversation with us on Proudly Pidginated. Today we're going to be looking at a dialogue called Wetin I want drink and Wetin I want chop and drink. So chop, if you've been following the dialogues, you know chop means to eat, right?
To eat.
To eat chop. To
I
chop
want
something.
chop.
I want chop. I want to eat something. And drink, of course, to drink something. So we're going to be looking at those different dialogues that, what would you do if you went to a bar, if you went to a joint, a beer garden, like how would you order, how would you, get something to eat, right? So let's jump right in. So we have here Sabina and her friends are in some suya spot. I love catfish, by the way, so that's a nice place to go. You go to different joints and you get grilled catfish.
Grilled catfish.
Delicious.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
Insane. You have to go try it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna be the waitress. Okay, so this waitress, let me just set it up. Like this is a scene with again foreign. This is mostly foreign people. So I mean the waitress notices they're foreigners, so she's gonna try and speak in proper English, right? So she's gonna say, "Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. What would you like to order?"
Good evening, no. I want order 2 stout, 2 malt, 2 catfish with chips, and 2 portions suya and masa with plenty onions.
Okay, ma. When I need anything else?
No, that one don't do. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Yeah. So basically, that's a really short one, but that's all you need, really. Yeah. So let's just quickly go through. So good evening, ma. Very simple. The first
Very
sentence.
simple.
Good evening. What would you like to order? It's very straightforward, right? What's the next one?
Yeah, he says good evening, no. And this foreigner is really like, he's emphasizing good evening, no.
Yeah.
And he goes, I want order 2 stout. And stout it's like very
Stout. Yeah, that's the Guinness, right?
It's a Guinness stout, yeah. So I want order 2 stout, 2 malts, 3 catfish with chips, 2 portions suya and masa with plenty onions. So basically, you can see the numbers of what he or she wants. She wants. It says 2 stout, 2 malt, 3 catfish with chips, 2 portions suya. Oh, we talked about suya.
Yeah. I mean, basically, she's saying like, of course, 2 stouts is just like 2 bottles of
2
stout.
bottles of stout.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
like the Pidgin way, right? 2
2
bottles
of stout. And she even said 2 portions suya.
Yeah, she said 2 portions, but 2
Yeah,
portions.
2
The correct
portions,
English would be 2 portions,
2
of
portions, yeah.
suya, but in Pidgin we say 2 portions suya, right?
And masa. You can't talk about suya without
Masa,
yeah.
masa and suya.
Masa. Plenty onions.
Yeah.
Plenty means
A lot.
a lot. Just
Well,
plenty.
it's English too.
It's
right?
English,
Yeah.
A lot of onions.
Yeah, so, and then again, we are very, very respectful. So she says, okay, ma, which is like, okay, madam. So ma is another way of saying madam. So we say, okay, ma. When I need anything else, meaning like, would that be all? Is there anything else you need? Right?
And he said, no, I won't be needing anything, no. That one don't do, the other it's okay. My order, I'm fine with my order. And he says, thank you.
Yeah, she says, okay, thank you, ma. So it's very straightforward. So how was that? Do you feel comfortable maybe ordering in a joint, in a beer garden or a fish joint? Let us know in the comment section. What do you think? And I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? Do you want to maybe ask some more questions? Are there some dialogues you'd like to see more of? What do you think? Is this helping you? I'm curious to know what you think about our video. Don't forget to comment and like. Click on the like button and of course subscribe. Would love to have you subscribe. And looking forward to seeing you next time. Later.
Later. Bye.
Thank you. Well done.
Bye bye, yo.
Bye.